again, Miss Tara here. Are you guys ready to do something silly? We're going to sing a song called If All the Little Raindrops. Feel free to follow along with my hand movements, or of course, make up some of your own. You guys ready to get started? All right, let's go. All the little raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops. Oh, what a rain it would be to stand outside with my mouth open wide. Ah, 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 ah. If all the little raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops. Oh, what a rain it would be. If all the tiny snowflakes were cupcakes and milkshakes, oh, what a snow it would be. I would stand outside with my mouth open wide. Ah, 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 ah. If all the tiny snowflakes were cupcakes and milkshakes, oh, what a snow it would be. If all the bright sunbeams were jelly beans and ice cream, oh, what a sun it would be. I would stand outside with my mouth open wide. Ah, 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 ah. If all the bright sunbeams were jelly beans and ice cream, oh, what a sun it would be. That was so much fun. Wouldn't it be awesome to go outside and just open up your mouth? I would love that. I hope you guys had so much fun with this. I did too. It's going to make me happy thinking about that bright sun today. Stay tuned for more. Bye.